So when you get a script, what's the first thing that you do? Make a choice. All good actors make choices. But how do you know if that choice is a good choice? Well, first of all, you want to make sure that it's grounded in the script, because so often I've seen so many actors make a lot of arbitrary choices. And they'll come in and I'll say, how did you make that choice? They say, well, I decided to be angry, or the script told me to be annoyed. Well, neither one of those are choices. That's emotional states. So to make sure that that choice is grounded in the story, you got to use the 9 questions of intentional acting. Because if you know 1, what the scene is about, and 2, how you relate to it, then 3, you'll know what the experience is, and then 4, you can choose your intention, which will be making a choice. So this is when using the 9 questions of intentional acting are really going to help you to make a better choice.